How can I record leave as an employee or set my availability as a contractor in the TFY portal? If you are an employee of an organization and have been onboarded onto the TFY platform by your employer organization, to record your leave, go to the Overview section and select Attendance. Please select the type of leave you wish to take. In this scenario, we will choose a paid leave with the reason being a vacation. It is a 2-day holiday, and we will determine the desired dates. And it's done. On the Leave List dashboard, you can review the status of all requested leaves, whether they are pending or approved. You also have the capability to edit and delete leaves from this interface. The Leave dashboard provides an overview of the number of pending leaves, approved leaves, and remaining leaves. If you are a contractor, you are not eligible for leave benefits, which are exclusively available to employees. To communicate your availability to your partner organization, please access your profile page and select the availability option. Here, you can indicate your immediate availability for projects, assignments, or work opportunities. If you are not available, simply turn this toggle off. Regarding your weekly schedule, you can specify the days you are available to work. For instance, if you are unavailable on the first 3 days of the week, uncheck those days. For the remaining 2 days you are available, ensure to check those boxes and click Save. This will enable your partner organization to identify which days you're available to take up projects or gigs. The same applies to the time slots if your availability is restricted to specific times. You can also select your preferred time slots from this interface. I trust this information is beneficial. Thank you very much.